Hey, it's Paul Alex, founder and CEO of Cash5.com, and today I'm going to show you how to earn money while you sleep. Imagine waking up every morning to deposits in your bank account without having to clock in or trade hours for dollars. That's the power of residual income, and it's exactly what I'm going to teach you in this video. So stick around because I'm going to break down the exact steps to start building passive income, share inspiring success stories from a couple of my mentees, like how Cass landed 4 taco trucks and is now earning $1,500 to $2,000 a month from credit card machines. And I'm gonna show you how to get started today. So let's level up. Most people work hard for their money, but what if your money could work hard for you? That's the beauty of residual income. It's not about grinding endlessly, guys, working super hard. It's about setting up systems that pay you month after month, long after the initial work is done. One of the simplest ways and most scalable ways to do this is through credit card machines. Every time somebody swipes their card at a business you set up, you earn a small percentage of that transaction without lifting a finger. Sounds impossible? Stick with me, guys, okay? You're gonna love this. I'm about to show you how you can start earning while you sleep. So let's break it down step by step. You gotta partner up with your local businesses in your town or city, okay? You help local businesses set up payment systems like credit card terminals or cash discount programs, and then you earn a residual. Every time a customer swipes their card, guys, you get a small percentage of that transaction, okay? I'm gonna give you a great example of this. Let's say a business processes around $50,000 through their credit card terminal, okay? And this is per month. You earn 1%. And you know what 1% of $50,000 is? That's $500 a month, guys. Now, imagine this. Imagine scaling that to 10 or 20 businesses. That's how you create an income stream that works for you, even when you're sleeping, okay? So, why is this business such a game changer? Well, let's start off with number 1, guys. It's super low startup cost, okay? Unlike real estate or other ventures that require huge investments, you can actually start this business with just $500. Yeah, 2 terminals cost around $500. And this is if you were to do it on your own, okay? Now, if you want to invest with like a mentor or let's say work with my company, it would probably be a 4 to 5 figure investment. But if you want to do this on your own and you want to start with 2 credit card terminals, guys, a standard credit card terminal will be around $250. So get 2 of them, that's $500 to start off a business. That's amazing. Now, this is also recession-proof. People always spend money on essentials like groceries, gas, and yes, tacos, my favorite. No matter the economy, business will always process payments, which means you'll always earn residual income, guys. And think about it like this. I like to call this infinity money, okay? Once you set up an account, the money keeps coming in without requiring additional time or effort. The more accounts you add, the more you earn, guys, all right? So let's talk about one of my mentees, okay? Cass. Cass's story is phenomenal, all right? Cass recently closed the deal with 4 taco trucks that processes over $100,000 a month in credit card transactions, okay? This should get you excited. We're talking about money. By switching them to the cash discount program and setting them up with Valor VL100 terminals, Cass was able to save them thousands of dollars in credit card processing fees. And now he earns around $2,000 a month in residual income. What's even better, that this just one of many accounts Cass has landed. And the taco truck owner plans to add 2 more trucks to the fleet, guys. So what does that mean? Referrals on point. Cass says, this sweet chunk of change will help me pay for my mortgage. Even if I could do this while working my 9 to 5, so can you. So stop making excuses and start building your future. I love what Cass said. If he can do it, you can do it too. So let's talk about numbers. Let's break it down here, guys, okay? How scalable is this business? Now, take a small business example, like a local boutique or a coffee shop, and let's say this small business does about $30,000 in volume, credit card processing volume. Let's say your residual income is about 1.5%. That's $450 a month you guys could be making in residual income, okay? Let's take a medium-sized business example, a restaurant or small grocery store. Let's say they're doing monthly volume processing of $75,000, guys. A little bit over 1%, you could be making over $900 a month in residual income, guys. Now, let's talk about the big enchilada. Let's talk about large businesses, okay? High traffic retail store or car dealerships. All right, let's say this car dealership is doing $120,000 in credit card processing, okay, a month. If you were to earn just 1%, that's roughly about $1,200 a month. Amazing, right? It's possible. People are doing it. So here's how you can take the first step towards earning while you sleep, guys, okay? You gotta invest in yourself. Like I said, if you wanted to start this business on your own, you could start with $500, buy 2 credit card terminals from Valor, guys, and go ahead and you can even gain access to my free Facebook group where you can gain access to like free training tools, free live trainings from me every single week, guys, okay, on how to succeed in this industry, credit card processing, all right? And number 2, just start prospecting, guys. Visit local businesses, introduce yourself, show them how you can save them money. Number 3, be persistent, guys. Closed mouths don't get fed. So the key to success is consistency. Set a goal to connect with 10 businesses a day and watch your residual income grow, guys. Yes, simplicity equals success. And number 4, you want a shortened way to success? Join a proven program, guys, okay? So my program provides everything you need, from mentorship to guaranteed locations to hit the ground running, guys, all right? So if you're ready to start earning while you sleep, join my credit card process for beginners Facebook group, guys, absolutely for free. We're not gonna ask for anything. Free course, free guides, free everything, guys. We host live webinars every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Central Time, 8 p.m. Eastern. You'll hear stories just like Cass with the food trucks and get all the tools and guidance you guys need to succeed, okay? So if this video inspired you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more no fluff strategies, guys, and comment below. I want to know what's the first thing you would do with an additional $5,000 a month in passive income from credit card machines. This is your ultimate guide to building income streams that work for you. Let's make it happen. Let's level up.